Sitting right here, man. Mr. Music, late night lover. You know what I'm saying? When they hit around midnight and that radio cut off from your baby mama, that's my fucking voice on it. Check it out, it's Vice City Rider, New South City Representative, 1/3 Lieutenant, Celebrity Trapper, Money Mills, Supreme, Mike G. Not just what Jinx till we put a fucking run again. Now listen to me when I say something like, it's like December right now, right? It's gonna be around June in like 6 months. We're gonna fucking take over the city. Anybody got a problem with it? Holla at me. You know what? I answer MySpace message, so send that threat so I can send it in the physical. All these niggas sending on MySpace message, whatever. I'm gonna get at you, nigga. It's Vice City Rider all day, bang bang, nigga. Before the money, nigga. Before the real money, it is what it is, man. Pop off, man. We finna smack. Hey, to my young black man getting money. My young individuals getting money doing positive, man. It's about legal money, man. Negativity bringing us down. Let's get this legal money out here. 100% Vice City Rider. Voila! Pop off! Fucking hot one.
They don't play. They don't play. It's a Shade 3 production, bitch.
Streets keep calling, streets keep calling, streets keep calling me.
Check it out, we started this 10 deep. I was officially, in the beginning I think I was a promoter. I wanted to promote the group. I wasn't even rapping yet. Not you heard my voice talk. You hear the swag right now. You probably assume I'm a rapper when I holler at you in the club or whatever. But you know what I'm saying? He told me to put the rap on. 7 niggas fell off. During the course of time, baby mama issues, street issues, some niggas chose school, so the original 3 members are still here. We 6 years strong. It's 2001, it's currently 2008, and I have more than a strong feeling. I could probably put my nutsack on it that we're gonna blow this year. 106 at Park, I'm saying by August, September, definitely brand new video on there. But we doing our thing. I'm originally from New York, but I'm at the Miami side, you know, not just typical, also from here. And just in the Jigs 13 from Little Haiti, Pop Up, we doing it major. And then we got my Celebrity Trapper fellows, Neo Brown, of course. Hold on, show him the shirt. I know you ain't never seen a shirt like this on nobody. Your boyfriend ain't got this on his closet, baby. Tell him to get his swag up. Tell him, nigga.
You smell me, this what it is, man. Bank City, Vice City, motherfucker, right? 1/2 of Celebrity Trappers, 1/3 representative. Know what I'm saying? It's all day, we all fam, man. At the end of the day, Dade County, man, we taking it back, man, cause everybody coming vacation over here, they come stay over here, but y'all gotta give it back. We taking it back. Y'all ain't giving it, we gon' take it, we demanding it. So it's our time to shine like this.
What's that single you pushing, nigga?
I mean, dreaming, y'all hear the beat in the background, it's gonna be crazy. Y100, we coming.
VH1, we coming.
But I ain't gonna OD like Coco Bang. I ain't doing none of that rock star shit. I don't play with the nose.
No, baby.
But we gonna be like rock stars in a minute.
But we'll make your girl play with her nose and play with my nuts.
You feel me?
You know how I get down.
But y'all know what it is, man. Yeah. CT, Neo Brown, a.k.a. Baby Mama Papa.
Baby Mama Papa. Dumb niggas. G niggas go to college too. That niggas need to stop playing. I don't go to school, whatever, nigga. I ain't drop out, nigga. I continue to go to school and I'm getting that education, nigga. Shout out to Jado, getting that degree money, nigga. It is what it is.
I'm from Little Haiti, man, know what I'm saying? To make it like real in depth, like Biscayne. You know what I'm saying? That's the fastest part of Miami. Biscayne, that's what all the prostitution, everything going down there. So you gotta respect that all day. You know, if I'm still here, you gotta respect it. 20 years on Earth, man.
20 years on Earth. Rainbow C 16. We beat 16 up, nigga. Flew through 17, ran through 18. Man, niggas chilling on 20. Man, I'm 21. You feel me? I'm 21 years old, man. That's a 2005, nigga.
Dreaming, you said, right? Yeah, Dreaming. Okay. Featuring Robert Dante.
Okay. And that's an alternative artist. Listen to me, rappers. Y'all come out and go get a whole ton of money to get a rapper not from your area to get you out. Get yourself out on your own. He got an alternative artist on his first single. We're gonna let the music speak. We don't talk much. And right now in the background, what's that in the background?
That's a part of me. That's a part of me.
That's another hot song. I'm gonna actually let the media decide, but as of right now, we're gonna go with the reggae vibe. Listen to what I just said. I'm a rapper. My first single is featuring some reggae motherfuckers, so we're gonna do real big on the reggae market. I'll be in the Bahamas by the summer, Cancun, all that good shit. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, Haitian slap D.
Show him the shorts, nigga. Show him the shorts, nigga. Beat down.
I ain't even step out for real today, man. Hey, this is what it is right here. Beat down, collect. You know, super.
Show the Wednesday call. That's too fast. Now come back. That's enough. That's the Wednesday. Just for Wednesday.
Hey, it's the beat down. Don't get beat down, homeboy. All day, nigga, just cutting through.
Man, that's my nigga. Gonna always be my nigga. Who? the general in the cut, always in the cut. Gato, the Haitian rapper, y'all be ready for him, man. It's going down. It is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? That's just a little brief about Zopound Dime Breed. You feel what I'm saying? That's why I can say I'm a Zopound representer, Dime Breed go getter. You got a lot of niggas screaming out the name, man. Y'all gonna have to cut a check in a minute, for real though. Tighten up. Y'all know who y'all is, man. That shit, man. Y'all better tighten up, man. That's all I'ma say. It's J-Dog. Zopound representing Dime Breed go getter for life.
Zopound, we up in this motherfucker. We came all the way to the Gwap. And I thought we left the violence alone, but I see choppers. What's going on? Hey, put on the chopper. I thought we left the violence alone, but we got choppers.
See, I'm cool with them Haitian mob niggas. To say South, I say my boulay and rob niggas, the mob niggas.
Zopound, we up in this motherfucker.
And this Haitian Snap DVD, motherfucker.
Yeah, rockin' how we rock this Don't Ride Entertainment, you hear me? Don't Ride Records, whatever you call it, you hear me? My bro, Iceberg right here. That's Iceberg. We fold our flag a special motherfucking way, you hear me? A special motherfucking way. You hear me? Hey, don't ride or die. If a nigga don't like it, suck ass, nigga. You know that? You don't feel talking right now. Hey, live and uncut, you hear me? Live and uncut, nigga. Just know that. Just know that.
New motherfucking album, Finally Famous, coming soon. The
Don't Ride It too, you hear me?
Coming soon.
Real soon.
Fuck the other side, you know?
Fuck em.
Black flag all day.
If it ain't about money, fuck em. Just know that.
Don't ride it, yeah. Don't ride it.
It's your boy, Young broadcasting in, you hear me?
I'm gonna get on the stage, rip this shit up. Yeah, you guys gonna do it. You guys gonna do it. You know, you gonna do it big. You always do it big, you know what I'm saying? How you feeling over here in Alabama? Same country ass nigga always been. Shit.
OG nigga, right? I know this economic shit got us all fucked up. I know all y'all motherfuckers out there want to eat tonight because the economy fucked up. We all gotta eat, right? Everybody gotta eat, right? I can't stand it. Everybody gotta eat, yes,
Niggas sleeping, they know I got to All my sexy ladies, put your hands in the air. One motherfucking time. All my niggas, get money, put your hands in the air. One motherfucking time. It's the biggest record in the motherfucking streets. Let's go. You already know what it is. It's the big boss, Rick Ross, all in 305 in my yayo. It's the Haitian Snap DVD. And saluting all the real Zoes. You feel me? From Biscayne back in the day. R.I.P. Solo. You understand? The Zoe Pound. And you know the list just goes on. It's a lot of real niggas putting a lot of work. I salute all the niggas dead and gone. You understand? You already know Chop, R.I.P. Carrot City Cartel representing nigga. Ricky Ross, Haitian Snap, boss.